All right, so here's some printouts that I got from Hockman and Plunkett, which was a part of my my client file, and this is be like page 1, but if we go to the back of it, this would be like the beginning of our relationship, right? And just right off the cusp, this right here is a red flag for me. This DKS is Donald Scott, and on 6/1 he's saying that he spoke with me on 5/31 of 22. They found us over illocal. I don't even know what that means, but found us over that. Claim is listed by the BWC as an allowed appeal status condition, muscle strain, lower back, lumbar. And it's just, for these people to go with a lumbar diagnosis is fucking disgusting. But this is one of the few times where they have it right. So the employer terminated him on 1/29 of 22. This is, they say that I got fired on the 30th, the 28th, the 23rd. They just have a slew of dates, but this is actually the real date where I was finally terminated. And he was terminated for reporting safety violations. Yeah, I stand behind that. He also says he only treated at the VA. He will obviously need to set up with a workers' compensation provider once we see the situation is with his claim. So, they're saying that Donald Smith, right, and I spoke on May 31st of 2022, and I'm here to tell y'all that the first person that I spoke with at this law firm was not this Donald Smith guy. The first time I ever spoke or saw or anything that has to do with this guy was at my first hearing, which was in July, which was in the following month. I believe it was the 18th or something. But about the middle of the next month so it was about 6 weeks down the road from this date was the first time I'd ever talked to this guy, because the guy that I had only talked to and the guy that I thought that was my lawyer was Matt. I'm sorry, Marcus Heath. This Marcus Heath guy, okay? But they're stating that, okay, so look right here. So this would be more indicative of like the truth is that, look, so they're saying that on July 25th of 2022, they're talking about my hearing. I'm sorry, it was on 7/28, so it wasn't on the 18th, it was on the 28th, okay, at 9 a.m. And they're saying DKS assigned. Now that makes sense, because like I said, the first time I ever met Donald Smith or whatever was on this date. That was it. And this whole, like, where they're saying that me and Donald spoke before, I really don't remember this. It maybe could have happened, but I don't remember speaking with Donald Scott. 2 days before my hearing. I remember walking in there and being like, what the hell are we going to do? Like, I don't remember being prepared at all. But another question is who is this MDW? Who is this person? Because it says, I have filed an R2, sent new client letter with medical releases to be signed and sent back. I marked the follow-up for a bill review. I have emailed the file to all these people, which this would be LAB would be Lisa, which is like the office lady. This MAH would be Marcus Heath, and I don't necessarily know who this JAD is, but yeah, they so that's one thing. Here's so they, my own law firm, like they, on the initial review, mid upper back, right? I mean, it's just like, how does my own law firm get my area of injury wrong? I mean, that's fucking just crazy to me. There are some issues I would like to speak. Oh, okay, so apparently I went there to drop off information and I wanted to speak with MAH, but it didn't ever say that I actually spoke with them. And that's kind of a going trend, is like, as I'm going through, all this conversation, there's multiple times in here where I'm, mainly talking to this Lisa, this LAB, this Lisa lady, and I'm basically asking her to speak with my attorneys, or my attorney, which I thought was Marcus for the longest time, but I never saw Marcus. I only got that one guy. But anyways, to finish that thought, is just like, look, there's several times in here where I'm trying to talk to these goddamn lawyers at Hockman and Plunkett, and or the attorney, and what I'm getting at is that there's not really a lot of record of them getting back to me. There's some records where I'm asking to get a hold of them, but I'm getting stopped. I'm getting stopped at Lisa, and Lisa is a piece of shit, and I'll show you why. Hell, his employer, appealed the allowance of the claim, on 6/13 of 2022. I've already proven that shit right there was manifested into my into my claim file, and this thing on 6/13 stinks up to fucking high heaven, because I've got a screenshot on my claim file, and this thing is not there for over a month. And in fact, this was, put in there, after 6 weeks of this, and it's just, it's terrible. In fact, I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. Okay, so I mean, you can clearly see that on those two, different side by sides that one of them shows that, that there's nothing there for 613, and then the other one up and all of a sudden, it does. And that's bullshit. That's total bullshit. Why the fuck would my own goddamn law firm allow that trash? But they fucking did, Here I am, sitting here trusting these fucking clowns. See, look, right here, boom, here's a prime goddamn example. Client called in, initially all hot and bothered that no one ever talks to him about his claim. Wonder fucking why, Lisa. His claim has been allowed, but pending appeal by the employer. See, I didn't know my shit was allowed. When the hell was my claim allowed? I'll give you a hint. He's a handful. Yeah, fuck you, Lisa. Fucking homeless because y'all's bitch ass over this trash. He told me his back was hurting. I asked him if he had made an appointment with Dr. Black, to which he answered, no one there answered the phone. I would love to know what's all scratched out. Like, why are they allowed? Why are they scratching it? I could just imagine how bad this shit is, like, where they, erase stuff. But client is going to see Dr. Black on 6/13. So you write, can you write for a C30 and Medco 14 after he is seen? Oh, talking to Dr. Black. So this is before I even went. I don't know, and here's another, I don't know who this Mandy Whitaker is. I have no clue who this is. And furthermore, Garrett did not appear for his new client follow-up appointment today. I don't know who the fuck that they're referring to, because I never knew about this. The only time that I was invited over to their office was on the 15th. Was like in the middle of the month. So I don't know. It's just I don't remember missing any appointments from them. This guy didn't show for his Dr. Black appointment, nor did he show up for his appointment with MAH. That's a total freaking lie. The person that I met at Hockman and Plunkett's office was Marcus Heath, and I thought that Marcus Heath was my attorney. In fact, when the disciplinary council lady asked me, the only time she ever called, oh my god, this goddamn investigator, Karen, you're fucking killing me, dude. Karen Osmond or whatever. Jesus Christ, lady, you're fucking killing me, lady. But whenever I was talking to you, Karen, I nailed what this guy looked like. And then I went up online and looked him up. Come to find out he's with a different law firm than Hockman. And lo and behold, dude, I'm telling you, whenever I pulled up the photo of him, I said, that's him. That's it. This is the guy. This is the guy that I thought that was my attorney. So for them to say that I didn't show up to the appointment with him is bullshit. And this is that shit right here that like I don't appreciate this. This is ugly, man. I shouldn't be getting this kind of treatment from my own fucking law firm. He has seen Dr. Black today. So let's go. Okay, 6:15 MAH. Okay, so well, this looks pretty long. So hopefully he's saying that I did meet with him, because I did. Okay. All right, so I don't know what this whole not meeting up with MAH, but yeah, I mean on the 14th, but this is okay. So 6:15. Okay, so this is right. Okay. So hopefully he's saying that him and I met, I'm assuming. But they're talking about he also went to Wishing Well Massage and Jenka Chiropractic. We need to get records from both and save all of this stuff and file, and then go from there. Okay. And this is from this is from Marcus Heath that was saying that. So I'm saying that I'm going to get my VA records. Other people know about ongoing back issues that he has. I don't know about ongoing, but all right. And this right here, I don't like this at all. This right here stinks up to high heaven. And I'm telling you, I will look these people in the fucking eyes and question this shit. I have no shame. There's no shame here. I have nothing to hide, man. I have nothing to hide from fucking nobody. But for this guy to sit here and make a statement, he kept talking about getting several $100,000 settlement and getting all this money. So I had to calm his expectations a bit about how much money he can get in a workers' comp claim. That is dude, that is a fucking lie. I don't care. I don't care if you believe me or not. These are the fucking people that couldn't get their own goddamn client's injury location correct, right? These are the people that are fucking allowing things to just show up in goddamn claim files that I guarantee you that they can't fucking, make sense of, you know? So, these guys are the fucking assholes. And I remember this goddamn conversation with this fucking clown. And how the hell am I going to sit... Y'all, I do remember asking him how much is a back injury like this typically settle for, which is a goddamn fair question to ask your fucking attorneys, and he told me around, if I remember correctly, anywhere from it can range anywhere from 100,000 on up to 200,000, depending on, the severity of the injury, right? So it's just, I remember him saying that, and it just appalls me that how the hell would I make a statement that I was gonna, be getting several $100,000 as a settlement whenever I myself didn't fucking know what the hell this thing could settle for. I mean, that was a genuine question that I had for these fucking clowns. So, for me to go around and talk about a fucking settlement that I don't even know is obtainable is just fucking stupid to me. But, whatever, dude. Matt, or Marcus, you're fucking killing it, guy. Fucking clown. And this is look, Matt and Lisa and all of them. I will also note that Cole has severe psychological problems from fighting in the Gulf War. I wasn't in the fucking Gulf War, you fucking clown. The Gulf War was in the 90s, dude. I was fucking in elementary school when the Gulf War was going down, you fucking clown. And he has psychological issues. Okay, and I do want that to be noted that, these people, Lisa and them, they talk about my psychological issues multiple times, which is fucking appalling to me, because it's so y'all are so fucking in tune with my, psychological medical background or whatever, that y'all don't even fucking know where the fuck I'm currently seeking goddamn treatment for. You're so in tune with my fucking medical background that you know all my psychological issues, but you don't know where the fuck I was hurt on my workplace accident, you fucking clown. Dude, what a fucking dipshit, dude. His problems stemmed long before his workers' comp injury ever happened. That's a fucking lie, dude. What the fuck? Like, why the fuck would my own fucking, this is Lisa, fucking bitch ass, but I never did like this fucking lady, and it's for reasons like this right here is, oh my god, look at this. So the appeal was filed 5/23. Client dropped off his VA records. Employer hired Densmore and Scholl to rep them. This ought to go over like a lead balloon with this client. We should be receiving medical releases any day now. Exclamation point. Glad that you're fucking excited about all this, Lisa. You fucking bitch. Look at this. Look at this. On 7/7/2022, injured worker called in losing his mind because he is in pain and doesn't know what to do. I suggested go to the VA or the ER. I'm calling these fucking clowns, telling them that I'm in fucking crazy pain. Oh man, this is bad. See, look right here. Why I talk shit about this Lisa chick, man. I'm telling you, she's a fucking savage. This Lisa Brown right here. I'm fucking savage, lady. Dude, read this shit. So, to add, I see online that the claim has been set for DHO. So this is the one and only hearing that I ever went to where I thought Marcus Heath was going to be there, but Marcus Heath was not there. Some fucking dude that looked like he was literally on his fucking deathbed showed up. And his name was something Smith or whatever. Anyway, some other guy other than Marcus showed up. But I don't deserve this shit, Lisa. Fucking bitch. Look at this. So there is a follow-up for records from Wishing Well Spa. We are not going to receive anything from this place. I'll read that again. We are not going to receive anything from this place. It is a day spa where they go to get pampered. Oh, you fucking bitch. He may have said he went there maybe hoping a massage would do him some good, but they do not keep records. I'll read that again. We are not going to receive anything from this place. So she's saying that Hockman and Plunkett, us as the law firm, we're not going to try to get any records from this place. It's a day spa where people go to get pampered. That is the fucking furthest goddamn thing from a lie, from the truth. People go there. It's a fucking place where you can get physical therapy done, you fucking dumb cunt. He may have went there. He may have said he went there hoping a massage would get him some good. Massage would do him some good. Jesus Christ, Cole. But they do not keep records. I'm taking that follow-up off. But they do not keep records. Okay. So then what the fuck are these, Lisa? What the fuck is this right here? Wishing Well, massage therapy, dated March 16th, way before I fucking knew what the hell workers' comp was. Goals: to alleviate pain between the shoulder regions and legs. So that was on March 16th, 2022. Okay. March 21st, 2022. Client has pain in the thoracic region of neck. April 1st, 2022. Client has pain in the thoracic region. April 5th, 2022. Client has pain in the thoracic neck region today. April 12th. Client has pain. Client has pain in the same region of, we're right here. Client has pain in the same region of the thoracic and the stomach today. Thoracic, though, still says it. April 15th, 2022. He said his stomach pain radiating into the thoracic region of his back. Still thoracic. For April 22 of 2022, client's in a lot of pain today. Yeah, I fucking called y'all and let you fucking bitches knew that I was in a lot of pain too, and y'all didn't give a flying fuck, did you? April, and this is so this is right after. So look, this would be like right as I'm filing for benefit, which would be like right up in here. So look, right between this appointment right here, which I've been seeing her since, the middle of March, but right up in here is whenever I filed for workers' compensation, and she's gonna sit here and say that they don't keep fucking records, and that this is just a place where I go to get fucking pampered. Yeah, fucking right, dude. So yeah, I filed on April 18th, so I just filed. Client's in a lot of pain today. They fucking knew that. They didn't give a fuck. April 26th was my last appointment. Client's in a lot of pain in the thoracic level today. Wow. Yeah. No fucking records going from there. Fucking Lisa, you fucking kike. What a fucking prick, dude. And furthermore, look at the DKS assigned. So they're saying that Donald Scott is now being assigned my case, right? And that my hearing on the 28th, which by the way is the only fucking hearing that I went to, throughout this time. And it's like, why is Marcus Heath still in the photo but not doing anything? Like, why is all of a sudden, Donald Scott being assigned my shit, and now all of a sudden he's my fucking lawyer? And here's them saying he is a vet with some psychiatric issues. Like, dude, I'm fucking super glad that y'all know about my psychiatric issues, but y'all are so in tune there, but you're not in fucking tune, with where the fuck I'm actually hurt, dude. There's no fucking way that these lawyers are this fucking stupid. There's no fucking way. And you know what? Furthermore, Hockman and Plunkett ain't going to be able to, answer these questions about, why are they not getting back a hold of me? Why are they allowing for something to just be manifested into my claim file overnight, which changed my, injury location? Why the fuck would they allow that? That's bullshit. That's so much fucking bullshit. I don't deserve that. I don't deserve this misrepresentation. These motherfuckers just did anything that would help the opposing counsel and not me, and then never even fucking told me about it. How fucking crazy is that? Of course, fucking people like me are gonna have issues with this shit. Look at this. I'm pleading with these fucking cocksuckers, and most importantly, I'm not getting treated right now, and I'm hurt. I mean, literally, I'm in bad shape. I'm trying to fucking tell these people that I'm fucked up, and they're just not listening. Look at this. This is a fucking client pleading with these motherfuckers. Hey, I'm just worried about my case. I feel like I'm going to lose. for whatever reason, I'd like to talk to either you or my attorney or Mr. Scott. You know, it sounds to me like I'm fucking pleading for them to, hey, I'd like to talk to either you now or my attorney or you or Mr. Scott. See, it's like I don't even know who the fuck is representing me, because I didn't know who the fuck was representing me. Person I thought that was representing me wasn't there. And so what the fuck? And you know, and most importantly, I'm not getting treated right now. And I'm hurt. I mean, I'm literally I mean, I really am in bad shape. That's what I'm saying to these people. In one ear and right out the fucking other, dude. We're just gonna go with these nurse case manager fucking pricks and these, you know, opposing counsel fucking pricks. Look, his client is not present. I literally learned about this goddamn hearing in the following year, in 2023. I never knew about this fucking hearing. They never told me about shit about this. It's just, dude, these people, man, they went too far. No wonder they're not trying to fucking answer my questions and, you know, block me from fucking everything, dude, because they fucking did terrible by me. And you know, furthermore, all this fucking evidence that the opposing counsel used, I never was questioned about any of it. And the same medical evidence, the same evidence from the employer, from the medical people that they used against me, is the same fucking evidence that I've been able to disprove. You know, and if my law firm would have just fucking questioned me, it's one thing. I can perfectly, you know, understand and, you know, sympathize that, you know, maybe these people didn't believe me, right? Well, then it's like, I would ask them, why even fucking take me on as a client, right? But, you know, for these people to not question me about any of this and then make these decisions in my behalf is totally uncalled for. I mean, it's one thing, you know, look, if these fucking cocksuckers over there at Hockman and Plunkett didn't fucking believe me, then at least fucking question me about it. You know, question me and drop me as a fucking client. Don't fucking pull this bullshit, you know, where you're just gonna go get in goddamn bed with fucking Densmore and them. Fuck off, dude. Goddamn, I filed this motherfucking claim because I was hurt at motherfucking work, you know, and if you didn't goddamn believe me, then, you know, say something about it. Fucking question me about it. But no, you didn't. You didn't. And every fucking attempt that I made to get, you know, a hold of you, went in one ear and right out the other. And what this fucking dude, what this Hockman dude has to say at the very end is, it's just, you know, that's why these goddamn lawyers are full of shit. It's because Plunkett, or whatever this fucking prick's name, where he talks about the final conversation that, you know, that me and him has. Oh man, I'm telling you, I sent them over photos about like where I was living. But you know, this final conversation that Plunkett has with me is a total fucking lie. Look, I told the client that we would represent him in court, try the case if he could finance it, but he cannot do that. He is not willing and not able to do that. That is a fucking lie, man. That is such a freaking lie, man. That is such a huge lie. That is not how that conversation went down. This motherfucker asked me for $10,000, basically gave me the middle finger. And I said, I can't pay that all. I was like, dude, can I make payments? You know? And he was like, no, I need it all up front. And then he called me a goddamn liar. He called me a fucking liar. And I'm like, look, dude, I've been trying to get a hold of you for fucking months, you know? And it's just like, I was like, what the hell? How the hell are you going to call me a liar? You know? And, fuck. Honestly, I felt happy that he dropped me, because I was like, well, hell, I can't get a hold of these motherfuckers anyways. You know, I was like, dude, I can't be any worse off without them, is the way that I saw it. But, this guy fucking saying that this guy wasn't willing at all to represent me on anything in that court deal. And that's a total, mistake of the fact, or however you want to call it. I don't want. It's a lie. I mean, it's a flat out fucking lie. This guy, this Plunkett guy, to me, he showed me his character in that conversation. I mean, these motherfuckers knew that I was homeless and shit. Fucking savages, fucking shit, man. And it's just like, I'll show you one more thing here, but they do get it right at one point. Let me go all the way back to the very beginning. But here, okay, look right here. So Lisa says right here, records from April 21st, 2000, which indicates areas of complaint between shoulder blades, right side, shoulder and neck. So look, I mean, they're talking about my Jenka chiropractic stuff, where it's like, oh my God, he literally got something that said lower back and had my name written on it. And I've already said I wouldn't have parted none of that shit. I went in there and I stated very goddamn specifically on all of my massage therapy from Wishing Well, and then again on all these chiropractic deals. I stated very fucking clearly on every goddamn appointment that my pain was in my mid upper back. And dude, it's not my fault I'm sitting there getting fucking misdiagnosed and misrepresented and shit. It's my goddamn lawyer's fucking job to fucking protect me against that bullshit, and they didn't. They just fucking went right along with it. Fuck all that. Fuck what Bearden says. Who cares? Who cares what he says? We're just gonna go along with what the fucking, what the opposing counsel needs. Fucking bullshit, man. Yeah, and then this 513, which, by the way, Venencotter's a fucking POS, and but he gets it wrong. He says on that first hearing on July 28th, the only hearing that I went to in 2022, that instead of the employer appealing it, he says that the claimant, okay, this Venencotter says, this hearing officer says that not the employer, but the claimant appealed. How the hell am I supposed to appeal something I don't even fucking know happened? And furthermore, none of these cocksuckers are going to be able to, explain why the fuck that 513 was just all of a sudden out of nowhere manifested into my fucking claim file. Nobody's going to, I guarantee it, man. These people are cowards, man. Cowardless, Whenever I needed them the most, they just epically fucking let me down, dude. I'm not getting treated right now, and I'm hurt. I mean, I really am. I'm in bad shape. Nobody gives a fuck about you, Bearden. God damn. Thanks a lot, Hockman and Plunkett. You fucking pricks. Oh, and Willis Spangler Starling ain't no fucking better either. God damn.